The old man sat on the park bench, the grey sky matching his mood. He'd lost his job last week, and the weight of it felt heavier than the winter coat on his shoulders. He watched the world hurry by, a blur of faces, oblivious to his quiet despair. Then a small feathered visitor landed on the bench beside him, a tiny sparrow, chirping insistently. He noticed it was missing a few feathers on one wing, yet it hopped about with such purpose. He broke off a tiny piece of the stale cracker in his pocket and offered it. The sparrow snatched it up, looked him right in the eye, and chirped again, a sound like a tiny thank you. In that small exchange, something shifted. He wasn't just a man who'd lost his job. He was a man who could still offer a little kindness. The world hadn't ended. It was just waiting for him to notice its small wonders again. Whatever you're facing this week, remember to look for the sprouse. There's always a little bit of light, even on the greyest of days. Take care, and thanks for watching.